So I'll be showing you a few things you can do to fix the problem with the microphone not working in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. Now the first thing you have to do is ensure that the microphone is not muted on the PS5 interface. So you can just exit out of the game or press the PS button on your controller and then look for this quick setting. If you can't find it, then just go to Home, then go to Settings on your PS5, and then go to Sound. Under Sound, go to Microphone, and you should see check if the microphone is muted. So as you can see, microphone status when logged in, mine is saying mute. So I'll just go ahead and turn that on to unmute the microphone. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you might also want to confirm that you're using the correct microphone. So still under microphone, if you go up and select input device, do you want the microphone on the controller or do you have a connected USB microphone? So make sure you're using the correct microphone. So I'm going to switch to that, and now I can check if it's still working. So I'll go back to Call of Duty and then press options on my controller and then go to settings and go to audio, and then here scroll down to the microphone section. When you get to the audio page, this is where you land at first. Okay, so you want to scroll down all the way to the microphone section until you get here. Now let's go ahead and test the microphone. So I'll just select on microphone test, and it should start working. I should see the microphone meter going up and down or right and left. If that's still not working, then you might want to check other things. You might want to check the microphone level. Maybe it's a bit too high. And let's check again if the microphone is muted. So press the PS5 button, and as you can see, our microphone has a slash. So let's go out there and unmute, and then go back to the game, and now you can see the meter is moving. So that's basically some of the things you can do to fix the problem of your microphone not working in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. Now, if those things I've shown you don't work, then you might want to start thinking about unplugging and replugging the microphone into your console. If that still doesn't work, you might want to quit the game and restart it. If that still doesn't work, then you might also want to think about restarting the whole console. So just switch off, unplug from the power source, give it about 5 minutes, and then plug it back in and switch it on. And one of those should fix your problem. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.